Let's birds move the world. One can might iron by the power of the word. Now it's time to listen some knowledgeable words from Yuvraj. His topic is simple interest. Now clap for Yuvraj. Respected Babita ma'am and my dear friends. First of all, I say great morning to all of you.
Great morning,
Friends, my name is Yuvraj. I study in 7C student and today I am standing here for delivering a speech. And my subject is math and my topic is simple interest. So friends, let's talk about simple interest. So friends, sometimes we need to borrow money from bank or a money lender for a specific period of time. Due to the end of this period, we have to pay back this money with some additional money. Some comparison terms, let's talk about. So friends, I would like to understand you about principal. Principal, the borrowed money is called principal. So friends, let's talk about interest. Interest, the additional money is called interest. I repeat, the additional money is called interest. So friends, let's talk about amount. Let's talk about amount. The total money paid by the borrower is called amount. So means clearly amount principal plus interest is equal to amount. So friends, rate. The interest of rupees 100 on year is known as rate percent per annum. So friends, there are very important formulas of this chapter. You have to know about these formulas. So friends, SI means simple interest, P means principal, R means rate, T means time. So friends, simple interest formula is principal multiply rate multiply time upon 100. I repeat it, principal multiply rate multiply time upon 100. So friends, there is P means principal formula, 100 multiply SI means simple interest, 100 multiply simple interest, rate multiply time. I repeat it, 100 multiplies simple interest upon R rate multiply T. So friends, now I would like to talk about how to find rate. So friends, R means rate, SI means simple interest multiply 100 upon P multiply T means principal multiply time. So friends, I know, as I think you understand this all important formulas. There is a solved example. This principal is 2,500 rupees. Rate is equal to 1% per annum and our time is 7/1/2. It's in mixed fraction. So friends, simple interest formula is principal multiply rate multiply time upon 100. So friends, simple interest is equal to 2,500 multiply 6 percentage and multiply by 5 upon 100 and our simple interest is rupees 375 rupees. So friends, I would like to repeat again this method. Simple interest. There are some terms. Principal, the borrowed money is called principal. Interest, the additional money is called interest. Amount, the total money paid by the borrower is called interest. Clearly, the sum of principal and interest is called amount. Rate, the interest on rupees 100 on a year is known as rate percent per annum. So friends, there are some important formulas. I understand you. SI means simple interest, P means principal, R means rate and T means time. So principal multiply rate multiply time upon 100. And to find the principal, 100 multiply simple interest upon R multiply T. So friends, how to find the rate? There is a formula to find the rate. Simple interest multiply by 100 upon P principal multiply time. So friends, I know you understand this whole method. Thank you and have a nice day.